about 2 minutes right after the legacy moment.
Hi, I'm Crawford Loritz with a legacy moment. Let's talk about doors. On September 11th, 2001, when the Twin Towers were attacked in New York City, Mayor Rudolph Giuliani and several other city officials were in a nearby building. They knew they had to get out of there, and quickly. They rushed to the basement, but the doors were locked. They tried another door, and it wouldn't open. They ran upstairs again and tried yet another door, and to their relief, the door was open. They went through it and ran to safety. Well, here's the analogy. Some of us are trapped in the building of sin, and all the doors are bolted shut. We might panic or we might deny the danger, but deep down, we know we're doomed. And unless there's a breakthrough, we're going to be lost, trapped in our sin. We desperately need a door. I love what our Savior calls himself in John chapter 10, verse 9. He says, I am the door. If anyone enters through me, he shall be saved and go in and out and find pasture. Isn't that great? I am the door. In this context, he is not only the way out of doom and destruction, but also the way into a tremendous freedom. Jesus Christ is the means of escape and deliverance. He shall be saved. And Jesus Christ is the means of freedom and refreshment. The idea of going in and out and finding pasture, the idea of laying down and being refreshed, having these things to eat, to enjoy yourself, to be sustained in life. Jesus is the way and the means of freedom and refreshment in all of life. Don't you want that? Well, here's what I want you to remember today. You don't have to stay trapped in your sin. There is a door, and it's open for now. Give your life to Christ and get away from your sinful rubble and doom.
Join Crawford Loritz tomorrow for another Legacy Moment.
We're taking it to church. Urban Praise, coming to you from Moody Radio.
Come on. Come on, kid. What's the other one? John?
If I never had issues,
Come on. What I got here? Look at what I got here. Come on. Look at a nice piece of chicken.